Parrot Cay. Unfortunately, I have some rather crushing news for you now, though. Did you know this is the last night of the cruise? No, I'm so sorry. But we do have something rather special planned for you, till celebration, where we recognise our crew members, which, by the way, now represent over 60 countries worldwide. And in honor of our final evening together, we have prepared for you your desserts, a classic in the cruising industry, the Flaming Baked Alaska. So please allow me to introduce to you now your chef de cuisine, Chris, and his galley team. On behalf of all of those, oh no, hang on, here's a couple more. Give it up for those galley team, folks! Make some Disney magic. We hope it's been a truly magical cruise for you, and we also hope that it's proven to you what Walt Disney really believed, that it is in fact a small world after all. Please welcome into Parrot Cay the people who have followed you from dining room to dining room all week long, your head servants, your servants and your assistant servants! But what I'd like to do now is just to bring them out one final time so that we can really go wild for them, show them our appreciation, and of course give that final farewell. So you guys can stand up on your feet, you can find your cutlery,